I'm in Koblenz. Look at that fortress. This is called the Deutsches Eck, and on my right hand side is the river Mosel. On the left hand side is the river Rhine, and in this triangle corner where the both giant rivers or the big rivers meet, and that's the name Deutsches Eck. They put all the Bundesland in the fortress. Yeah, like I see Baden-Württemberg, Thüringen, Sachsen, Bayern. Here, the fortress. So these are the German Bundesland or state insignia. We used to live here. Live here. We are currently here right now, and we live here. Amazing structure. Deutsches Eck, Koblenz, very beautiful. There's a very big beer garden, ice cream place, snack place. Usually this place is jam-packed, especially in the summertime. It's full of people. But now, because of the weather, plus coronavirus, unfortunately, and no one is here. It's been more than a year since I ate in a restaurant. And by the way, here in Germany now, we're in West Germany, in a city called Koblenz. Before you can eat in a restaurant, you need to have a Schnell test or antigen test against COVID-19. And they have like around 7 to 8 places here for free. And then you'll have that in 15-20 minutes. It will send it to your phone in PDF or a notification that you have a negative test. Then you'll have to show it to the restaurant, and then you can eat, but not inside, outside. Guten Appetit. Having my favorite ice cream in a lovely town called Boppard, and next to the River Rhine. Lovely sunny weather here. Let's roam around. Are one of the very few examples around here in Germany. Along the River Rhine and Mosel, you can find these small, lovely towns, like in the valley, very old buildings dated by like 300, 400, 500 years old. It's just a lovely town. And in a nice weather like this, beautiful garden place here, and church and some ruins. Lovely. Back again here in the Deutsches Eck in Koblenz, where the river Rhine meets the river Mosel. A few days ago it was very rainy and this place was empty. But now that it's warm, a little bit sunny, so a few people are hanging around here. Quite nice. So let's end this trip in this wonderful river Rhine Valley with the delicious, fantastic looking Greek food. Guten Appetit! Until then.